Assalamu alaikum lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm doing a light smoky eye that you can easily achieve with any products that you have on hand. So we'll begin the video, but before that, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and like this video. Let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to fill my brows. I'm using precisely my brow pencil, but you can use any brow product that you like and you feel comfortable with. The aim for this video is to show you that you can use any of the products that you have on hand that you love, and you can achieve this similar eye look. So here I'm using a pencil and I'm just brushing through my brow and filling any sparse areas. Next, I'm setting my brow hair with a tinted brow gel. This is again from Benefit, but you can use any brow mascara that you have. It can be a tinted one or transparent. I'm cleaning up my lid now using MAC Soft 2 paint pot. You can either use a concealer or an eyeshadow base. It's really your choice. Now taking an eyeliner pencil, I'm first applying it in my waterline, and then I will apply it as a liner, but no, it doesn't have to be a very neat line because I'm going to smudge it, and you need to have a pencil for this because a liquid liner or a gel won't spread as nicely, I think. But again, try with your favorite tool. I find that a pencil or a kohl liner blends much better. So now I'm taking a thin brush, like a pencil brush, and just gently blending this liner so that it's blended upwards slightly into the crease and it's not a harsh line. You know that a smoky eye can easily turn into panda eyes, that we really don't want to do that. So just my experience is start slow and then build up as you go further. You don't have to pack on a thick line or half your lid covered in black and then you start blending. I feel that, and that's a lot of error, and there is not much you can do later. So start slow, apply bit by bit and blend with all your might as you see me blending here, and then just add on as you find necessary. Now for my lower waterline, I'm using a gel liner to line the rim because it will stay there and it won't go away easily. Taking the same pencil brush, I'm going to now smudge the eyeliner I just applied in the waterline. I've again added some black liner to the upper lid and I'm blending it again so the intensity stays strong at the lash line. Pushing it out at the outer corner as well, slightly to create kind of a cat eye effect, but just slightly with a clean brush. I'm just blending it at the corner and also at the lower lash line. Taking a clean fluffy brush and I'm just spreading this color on the mobile part of the lid. And then now we are going to add a transition color. This can be any color of your choice. Again, this will just create a gradient on the crease, and I'm taking a small crease brush and adding that color. You have to blend it in the crease and slightly above it. Apply the same color on the lower lash line. Now take a black eyeshadow. I'm using this Corrupt from Makeup Geek, and with a small shader brush you just pack on the color. You can see I'm applying by tapping the color on and not really blending at this point because I want the color intensity to be strong at the lash line, and then later I will blend this color so that there is no harsh line. Now again, taking a small fluffy brush, I am going to blend this black shadow upwards into the mobile lid so that the color is well blended and there is no harsh line. Doing this, you can see you will lose some of the intensity of the black eyeshadow at the lash line. Don't worry, you can reapply it with the same brush, the thick bristle brush, and blend it again if there is any harsh lines, and you can repeat this until you have the consistency that you're happy with. Now highlight your brow bone and the inner corners with your favorite highlighter. Don't miss this step because of the very dark eyeshadow that we have on the lids. The highlight will bring about a very nice contrast and shine to the eye. Curl your lashes and apply a thick coat of your favorite mascara. You can leave it at that, or you apply your favorite falsies if you're going out for a very bomb effect. And there you have it, guys. This is the final look. As you can see, this is smoky but not too much in the face. It's a casual smoky eye, and that's the way I've learned to do it. There's a lot of blending. Every time you put a shadow, you blend. So that's basically how you get the look. I hope you guys enjoy it. Do try it out, guys, and let me know. You can follow me on Instagram at izaa.glam and leave me a comment down below if you have any suggestions. Do like my videos and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. That means a lot to me. And I'll see you next time, guys. Bye bye.